big deal. Hi guys, so we're off to Buena Vista. It's our day off. What's
Bibisita din
wrong?
tayo.
I don't see you much these days, but I hear you're doing fine. I remember the tears down your face.
Yun guys, magandang umaga guys. Nagbiyahe tayo ngayon. Pauwi sa amin. Kasi ngayon, day off namin. So, napag-isipan namin na umuwi kasi may reunion kasi bukas. So to say, hindi tayo makaka-attend bukas kasi duty tayo. Kaya nga, ngayon na lang tayo pupunta doon tapos uuwi tayo ng gabi. Mamaya, nandun tayo sa kahabaan ng Maribohok, Tuloon National Highway. So ilang oras lang, mga isang oras, makakarating din tayo sa bahay namin. So yun guys, kita-kits lang tayo pag uwi guys. Okay.
Sitting here with all of my friends, drinking beer like the night won't end. Red wine in a Dixie cup, all night till the sun comes up. I think I made up my mind.
Erden's drinking his milk. Erden just woke up after sleeping. You have a good sleep, Erden. And then when he woke up, he's looking up above and he saw the clouds and trees with the green leaves. Do you love the clouds and the green leaves? Look, oh, there's a gray cloud. It's about to rain. It's about to rain. We have to sing rain, rain, don't rain, rain. There's an excavator. I'm an excavator. Excavator. See you later when we arrive at Spigos. We're going to buy donuts and also tap for Earth instead of forgot to bring one.
Red wine in a Dixie cup, all night till the sun comes up. I think I made up my mind. Yes, I did. I don't need you in my life. I'm doing just fine.
Urgent. Let's go, urgent.
Bye, sir. I'm going
Dali,
to buy.
So yan guys, dito tayo sa Tubigon. Pahinga muna tayo tapos bibili tayo ng diaper kay Erzen. Kasi wala siyang diaper, hindi kami nakadala. Yan na nga. So nandito kami sa Alturos Mall. Ilang kilometro na lang makakarating din tayo dun sa sa bahay namin. Park muna tayo dito sa gilid. Okay. Okay guys. So hintay-hintay lang tayo mamaya-maya guys. Nagki-crave ako ng manok dito Erzen, gusto ba kumain ng chicken? Yan yung manok. Yan, sarap kainin yan guys. Woo! Siguro bibili tayo. So habang naghihintay tayo, parang uulan ata siguro. Parang ano yung kilangitan guys. Sana hindi uulan pag pag alis na rin ngayon. Kasi sobrang putik dun sa amin kapag uulan. So okay lang na dito sa highway uulan. So yan, antay-antay lang tayo. Erzen, wag! No! Tagal pa si partner. Hi sa camera. Bye! Erzen. Bye! Bye! Mama. I love Mama.
Adapta and pasalubong Goldilocks.
So nagpapabili tayo ng manok kasi parang gusto kong kumain ng manok. Manok, chicken? Chicken? Gusto mo kumain ng manok ng chicken?
Drinking beer like the night won't end. Red wine in a Dixie cup, all night till the sun comes up. I think I've made up my mind. I don't need you in my life. Wake up, try.
This is Aya.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog!
Tyron. Hello.
Hey guys, so nag-set up kami ng ano dito, tent, para may lagayan kami kapag may activity tayo dito na gaganapin bukas. So magkakapag tayo ng tent.
Hello!
Mana may og diskarga sa among karga.
Karga?
Mana may diskarga sa among karga.
Video ba dahil para
Mana may diskarga sa among karga. Igat isa kay ani. Manit boss. Dapat boss. Oh. Guys, amo na nga simbolo noon niya kaniya. Nadin ni si Arya. Huwag niya si Surgeon. Huwag si Auntie. Huwag mo ni si Sinley. Ang motor na pinakamaangas, boss. Ba't na?
Mana naabot na guys, naabot na sa among destinasyon.
okay lang sino dito, di ba?
Okay naman, okay naman, okay naman.
Kailangan.
Let's go.
Kapag na tayo sa sakyan na natin guys. So punta tayo sa bahay
Dinner part soon.
para isip natin yung ano guys, isip natin yung Sige.
Oh yes.
Oh, okay. So
Anak, gila
yung tanong tayo. So ayun guys, nag-set na kami dito ng tent, nagtulong-tulong na kami para bukas dito namin ilalagay yung mga pagkain namin at para na rin kapag umuulan ay may masisilungan kami. So tulong-tulong na kami dito guys habang yung iba busy din sa pagluluto. Okay?
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say. Just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your weight? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pop, so we about to get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation, so I'ma have to live a little louder. And no, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. Just buy me a new condo, and in the same year I move back home. Guess the 20s ain't as friendly as the place where you were born. Anytime you reach for something.
Ito guys, nagpapainit kami ng tubig kasi bukas gagatayin natin yung ano, biik. Tingnan natin yung biik dito guys. Pinapapakulupan natin yung tubig, tapos pagkatapos ng magkulo, gagatayin natin itong baboy. Ito yung baboy guys, oh. Yan. Nawala yung baboy. Saan yun? Dito pala. So ito yung baboy guys. Ito yung gagawin nating lechon, tapos ito isa gagawin nating mga iba't ibang mga pagkain. So ayan guys, pinapakulo natin guys para gawin siyang para lumambot yung mga balahibo ng baboy, tapos madali lang kunin yung balahibo guys. So kaya pinapakulo. So kita nyo yung area dito guys. So bukas dito tayo magsi-celebrate. Tapos ito yung venue natin. Yung may tent, di ba?
Sa mga puntong iyon ay napag-isip-isipan namin kung uuwi ba kami o hindi. Kasi sayang din kasi yung araw na isi-celebrate yung reunion tapos kami pa yung wala. At saka minsan lang kasi yan darating sa buhay natin na may reunion eh. Yung mga kamag-anak natin galing ibang lugar tapos magsama-sama sa isang bahay. Diba maganda yun? Kaya ayun, napag-desisyon na namin na dito na lang kami. Tsaka meron din naman konting kasiyahan.
Ini gimana?
I don't see you much these days, but I hear you're doing fine. I remember the tears down your face when you told me goodbye. Baby girl, that's alright, 'cause I got good company and my trouble's outside. And I'm sitting here with all of my friends, drinking beer like the night won't end. Red wine in a Dixie cup, all night till the sun comes up. I think I've made up my mind, I don't need you in my life, I'm doing just fine. You think you got it figured out, you got me on lockdown. I tell you girl,